Budgets often fail due to complexity. You download a spreadsheet, manage too many categories, and give up. Today, I'll show you a budgeting system you can set up in 10 minutes. This is the 3-bucket budget, my system for gaining financial control without feeling overwhelmed. Section 1. Why budgets fail. Most quit budgeting because it feels punishing. Too many rules lead to guilt. You need a repeatable system. The 3-bucket budget works because it's simple and flexible. Section 2. Bucket number 1. Bucket 1 is essentials. Necessary expenses. Housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Aim for 50 to 60% of your take-home pay. If it's higher, optimize this bucket first. Section 3. Bucket number 2. Bucket 2 is Future You. Funds for your future, including savings, emergency funds, retirement, extra debt payments, and investments. Allocate 20 to 30% of your income here. Start with $20 a week if needed. Section 4. Bucket number 3. Bucket 3 is fun money. Guilt-free spending for dining, shopping, entertainment, hobbies, and travel. Aim for 10 to 20% of your income. Enjoying money helps you stick to your budget long-term. Section 5. Putting it together. Take home $3,000 monthly. Here's the 3-bucket budget. Essentials $1,800, Future You $600, Fun Money $600. Adjust percentages based on your goals. Section 6. Start today. Your task. Write down your monthly take-home pay. Divide it into 3 buckets and set automatic transfers for Future You. Track 3 amounts, not every category. This is the easiest budget to stick to. Let's recap. Know your monthly take-home pay. Allocate it into 3 buckets: Essentials, Future You, and Fun Money. Set automatic transfers. This budgeting approach gives you clarity and peace of mind. Focus on 3 key areas, letting you live within your means. Change can be daunting, but it leads to a brighter financial future. You're creating pathways toward confidence in your financial decisions. Recognize that small changes lead to significant rewards. Every step brings you closer to your financial goals. Patience is key. Budgeting frees up your finances for what matters. The 3-bucket budget is a sustainable method to manage finances effectively. Establish clear spending boundaries to meet needs and prioritize future aspirations. This is about crafting a financial narrative that reflects your values. Take the first step today for peace of mind with budgeting. Thank you for joining me on this path to financial empowerment. As you transition, practice makes it seamless. Keep your goals front and center with the 3-bucket budget. Seek support from the community. Share experiences, learn, and find inspiration. You are not alone in this. Celebrate your progress. Each change is a step towards stability and fulfilling dreams. Stay committed to adjusting your allocations. This approach adapts to life's twists while staying aligned with your priorities. Make budgeting an ongoing conversation. Budgeting is personal. Tailor the system to your circumstances. Embrace the 3-bucket budget to shape your life aspirationally. Remember, progress takes time. Each day is an opportunity to strengthen your financial future.